So let's take a tour of 2141 Maitland Drive down at the Brickyard. And this here gives me New York City, Manhattan kind of vibes. I feel like I could be on West 34th Street right now. So you have a walk up here. There's two units. So there's one upstairs and then this one here. This foyer is common space and that door is always locked. As you enter, you can see these gorgeous floors. Over here, you have a large formal dining area. This could be used as a home office or sitting and reading room. It is very large. Through here, we have the galley kitchen, solid wood cabinets, lots of counter space there for all your prepping, and it's a pretty cool flow into your living room area. Now we've set it up with the sitting area here, and then you still have a lot of space here to do what you please with. You do have a balcony on the back of the property. And who doesn't appreciate air conditioning? The hallway from the front, that is the front entrance there. So that is your coat closet. This is your powder room on this floor. The noise you hear in the background, that is the alarm system. So this closet is huge and deep. Down the stairs, you will find the laundry, 2 bedrooms, and main bathroom, along with some storage. So here's the laundry room. It's a great size. They have a stackable in there, and then there even you could put some storage options in there. Down the hall, that noise you hear is my shoes on the new laminate floors. This is the secondary bedroom. The ceilings down here are very high. This is a large double door closet. Has a light inside as well. Through here is the main washroom, cabinetry, your tiled tub shower combo. More storage for you here. So your linens. And then this is the primary. It is large. Lots of natural light coming through. And you see all these doors. So first one is a large closet. This double door section is more storage space. And then this is your walkout to the back. And that vacant spot right there is your parking spot. So how convenient is that to come home, walk right in, or if you're rushing out for work, coming right out the back after getting ready. So 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms in the Brickyard. Is the condo corp good? It's fabulous. They just reduced the condo fees. That's how good it is.